Lincoln's home in Springfield. And the historic street.
Oh, this is cool. Get back in front. Anywhere.
They have a lot of the buildings and houses that would have been, they're restored to what they would have been like when Lincoln was alive. Apparently he lived in that house for 17 years before he was president.
Do your thing, Sam. Yeah.
You see they have the wooden sidewalks,
Nice, I love it.
which was what they would have had back then. And you can walk down the street. There's my honey Dan. You can walk down the streets and see what it looked like in 1857. We just completed a tour of the home. The tour was free, and it's $2 an hour for parking, but the tour was free. So it's a great place to stop if you're on Route 66. Good place to visit. It's air conditioned too, which is good because it was like 90 today, September 15th. Excuse me, September 16th. And down there is the visitor center and parking. And we're walking the street. These streets would have been muddy if it rained. Dirt and gravel. That's what they would have been like back in 1860. And there's a side view of the home. And there's my Dan. And there's part of the exhibit. Lincoln's home becomes a shrine. There we have it. I'm doing a YouTube. And here we are, walking the street that Lincoln walked. Walking in Lincoln's neighborhood. Pretty much restored. Beautiful houses. Beautiful old houses. Again, this is in Springfield, Illinois. It's on Route 66. Take a walk back in time. Well, I'm glad I don't have to wear a heavy dress and skirts, underskirts today because it's really hot. I imagine those ladies got used to it, or they fainted a lot. There's a wagon. Looks like they're doing some restoration work here. Keeping it up. Nice trees, bring some shade. There's a log cabin. Little miniature log cabin on a wagon. On wagon wheels. here's the other side of the wagon. Honest old Abe, the people's choice. Here's a wagon. Looks like it's hauling goods. What's missing is the horse. It's just made to look like a street in the old days. Like a street would look. No carriages parked out here, but a wagon or two. Another gorgeous house. Another lovely home on the street. Sarah Cook House. And there we are. We got the same people taking pictures of their kids in front of Lincoln. Guess they're really into Lincoln. And we're back at the Lincoln House. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. You'll see more of Route 66 sights.